Let's learn how to divide the number 77 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the number 7. We know that 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this 7 here. And we know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. So we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 77 divided by 2 is equal to 38.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.